Welcome to this presentation. This is MATHL.J, and this presentation we are going to find the correct answer to this algebra, as you can see. And the majority of the learners or students, almost 99%, would fail this question. So let us see how it could be answered. So one can come and say this 8 and this, if I subtract, I get 0. Then I remain with this division symbol. Then this 1 out of 8 multiplied by 8, this and this would cancel to give us a 1. And then when 0 is divided by 1 to give us a 0. But guess what? This answer is completely wrong. So let us have the correct approach of working out this number correctly. So we are going to begin by having our solution in here, as we have our expression as the 8 minus 8, then divided by 1 divided by 8 multiplied by 8. So in here we are going to follow body mass, where B stands for the bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and then A stands for subtraction. So the order of the priority of this decreases down the group downwards, implying that the brackets are given the first priority, followed by of, division, multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. So in here we can say that we have the subtraction symbol, division symbol, and then the multiplication. So we don't have the brackets, we don't have of, but we have division. So in here we have division as being the first one. So let us deal with these digits that are nearest to the division symbol. So it means that in here we are going to have the 8 minus this 8. Then since this is division, we can change it to multiplication. And as we change it to multiplication, we are just going to get the reciprocal of 1 out of 8, which is the same as writing 8 divided by 1, then multiplied by this remaining 8. So from here, we can see that now we have two symbols, whereby the first one is the subtraction symbol. So we have multiplication and then subtraction. So our next step, still as we consider body mass, we can see that multiplication comes first before subtraction. So therefore it implies that we are going to do the multiplication before we subtract. So it means that our next step is now 8 minus the 8 multiplied by 8 and still multiplied by 8. As I simplify, this is same as having 8 minus the 8 raised power 3. As I simplify, this is same as having 8 into, I'll factorize out 8. So in here I'm going to remain with 1 minus, so 8 power 3 divided by 8 shall remain with 8 squared. As you proceed, this is now the same as having the 8 into 1 minus, so 8 squared is the same as having 64. This implies that 8 is now into 1 minus 7 is the same as negative 63. So now negative 63 multiplied by 8. And if this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel MATHL.J for more videos of the kind. See you again next time. Goodbye.